Right, so here she is, got the tyres mounted on, new inner tubes since you last saw it. Got the crash back levers on, lock wired up the grips, got the kill switch back on there, so that's all working rather than the pull cord type one that was on there. New filler breather pipe, new tyre thanks to a guy called Jay off the UK Supermoto BMB Facebook group, gave me that tyre for nothing, which was very kind of him. What else have we done this side? Not a lot, bar some cleaning, took some of the graphics off, got a new air filter coming by the way, and that's brand new front tyre on there off eBay, 26 quid for another Maxxis one. And we're clean the carb. I'm going to be ready to fire up soon. It's had an oil change as well, so I made this little catch tank up out of an old cosmetics bottle and some new breather pipe, etc. So nearly ready to rock and roll. I've just got to put the number plate on and mount that all up, and then obviously get it running. So update coming soon.